uncle. They carry. Yeah, or first Kaizer Chiefs is also plan. You know, in honor or support the Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, since I'm a Chiefs supporter.
Yeah, since I'm a Chiefs
from 1970.
1970.
Yeah. Number 1 was Joseph Banks Hloli.
Yeah.
Number 2, Jackie Masiki. Number 3, Gerald Mgawa Dlamini.
Yeah.
Number 4, Tenten Zimande. Number 5, Gabriel Didikoza.
Yeah.
Number 6, Zakaria Lamola. Number 7, Emenpele Blash. Number 8, Ariel Pro Hongwana.
Yeah.
Number 9, Michael Biza Dlamini. Number 10, Kaiser Mutaungor Johnny Mukwena. Number 11, Shaka Ngobo Valdez.
Felice. And the coach are Nelema. Coach are
Opula coach Nelema.
Can all of Noriki Imang? Oh, yeah,
manager direct.
Oh, yes, yeah, Chiefs.
The manager director was Parai.
Oh, Uncle, when I was supporting the Chiefs. And they what was
Parai,
Yeah. No,
Barar Jampile defense Tata Pirate and the only way Nisa Yakuja Chiefs. Below woods a carbon Leonard Waka Waka Dikwe.
Yeah.
Sink a shaft. Don't have it a panda sailor send.
Himana.
Over center line of it a panda, hands down.
Panda can go goalkeeper.
Pets and panda all on the pirate. Very TV like a banks Clody. Panda nail number 1 a pirate.
Oh, yes. As all as Alabama Robaman.
Axa Hopul or Baroville Mang, but I do think or recover.
Because the hope like one now, Amorobile Manana, or level at Gamos, I think. Yeah.
Nail a pirate or chief.
Little Bagani. Never Axapola Bila, Bilagarana, another Macusa, no, got the 80s.
I want to move warning a penalty.
Okay. Come on left.
Yeah, come on left. We feed on a mona.
Oh, who
was that? I am going to send a pages. Right, Kitak shop or penalty.
Number 1.
Then Kishop where my way.
Okay, yeah. Oh,
right. Food bazaar, Kiona Vuma.
All right.
He fell like so, but I
no, Galewa, Uncle, like it, I want some of Kusuria, Negatamala Uncle, more like
was our known the course.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, guess so.
100%.
Yeah, honestly.
Honestly, like
yeah.
Was our demon Chiefs
Lekosi for life. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah. Thank you, Uncle. Sharp. Thank you for watching Number 27 Sharp Eye channel. Keep on subscribing. Make sure that you like and you share the video. Thank you very much.